Whoa. Whoa. Why, hello there. Hi, I'm Dominant Dragon. Oh, no, I'm not hibernating for winter, in case you thought that. And, it is getting a little chilly out, so Plane Mechanics, we aren't out on the street anymore. Just because there's not too many people out in the cold. But I'm not hibernating. Didn't migrate. Dragons, we don't do that. I'm just, you know, trying to take care of myself for the winter. Gotta touch up my feathers, you know, prune my wings, all that stuff. But here I am uploading some videos to YouTube, as you can see. So Plane Mechanics will be putting up new videos all the time in the winter. Oh boy! So make sure to check back at the site often, or subscribe and see what's up. Okay, keep playing. Bye-bye. Whoops.